I'm not saying that I'm a professional, but I'm saying that if I don't eat within the next 2 hours, things are going to get ugly. Today's survival food meant cabbage and pap. Don't judge the process, judge the results. Hello. Started with onions. Why do they make us to cry? Is it sulfur? Is it because they know that I'm hungry? It is just a toxic relationship. Okay, so while the onions are frying, I'm cleaning as I go because I have adult responsibilities. But honestly, I just want this part to be over so that I can just start eating because my stomach is paining me. After throwing in the mains, just look at that brown transformation. And the reason why I'm putting potatoes and carrots is because I need to feel like I'm at least pretending to be a healthy person. It's like a wellness retreat, but with more grease and less yoga. Cabbage is what mostly makes our parents to be proud. And this is the part where my soul leaves my body. If you see me struggling with this wooden spoon, just mind your business because wow, it's like a workout. It's a lifestyle. It's actually, I just can't even put it in words. Because why is it so hard? My arm is officially on strike, man. It's done, like it's officially done, and I don't care about the plating. I don't care about the Instagram aesthetic. I just need this inside my stomach because I waited all my life for this. And I'm going to eat this in silence and think about my life choices. If you liked watching me fight a pot of pap for like more than 5 minutes, you are my kind of people. Kindly subscribe for more chaos, and I'll see you when I get hungry again. Bye.